Get ready for the dictation of Allahabad High Court APS examination. 3, 2, 1, start. Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 232 of 2022 under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, District Allahabad, Rakesh Kumar alias Rakesh Kumar Srivastava, son of late Ram Manohar Srivastava, residence of 167/91 Rajrupur, Tehsil Sadar, Allahabad versus State of UP through its Principal Secretary UP Secretariat at Lucknow, Prayagraj Development Authority through its Chairman/Secretary Prayagraj/Allahabad, Station House Officer, Police Station Dhumanganj, Allahabad/Prayagraj. The Honorable Chief Justice and other companion judges of the aforesaid court, the humble application of the above named petitioner most respectfully showeth as under: that the facts, circumstances, and reasons disclosed in the accompanying writ petition and the affidavit filed in support thereof, which also part of this application, it is therefore most respectfully prayed that this honourable court may very graciously be pleased to stay the effect, operation, and execution of the impugned officer letter dated 27/6/2022, passed by the respondent number 2, and issue ad interim mandamus commanding the respondent administrative authorities not to adopt any coercive measure with regard to the peaceful possession over the property bearing plot number 339/5, measuring an area of 0.182 hectares, and plot number 432/5, measuring an area of 0.021 hectares, upon the name of the petitioners. Otherwise, the petitioner shall suffer irreparable and injury will cause a grave injustice to the petitioner. That the petitioners before this honourable court are cousin brothers in relation, and for the purpose of residential accommodation purchased a plot of land from person named, namely Muhammad Usman, who was the recorded tenure holder of the plot number 339/5, which is a big plot, and out of it the petitioner number 1 and 2 both purchased the Miljumla, measuring an area of 245 square meters, and in this respect, in the year 2005, deed was executed in favor of the petitioners. A copy of the registered sale deed is being filed herewith and marked as Annexure number 1 to this affidavit. That in this sequence, soon after the execution of the registered sale deed, the name of the petitioners was daily recorded in the revenue records. A copy of the revenue record demonstrating the entry of the name of the petitioners is being filed herewith and marked as Annexure number 2 to this writ petition. That soon after the sale deed was executed, the petitioners before this honourable court started raising constructions over the aforesaid plot of land, upon which the Prayagraj Development Authority, hereinafter referred to as PDA, visited the plot of land of the petitioners and demolished entire construction which was raised by the petitioners. That since the petitioners were the bona fide purchaser of the aforesaid property, and they had the full confidence that they have purchased the fair property and there is no shortcoming in it, but totally aggrieved by the act of the PDA, and therefore filed a original suit for permanent injunction against the PDA, and the aforesaid suit was numbered as original suit number 118 of 2011. Thank you.